Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add volume in Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to any chart you wish to analyze. Right-click on the chart area and select Studies from the context menu. This action will open the Edit Studies window, which is your gateway to customizing indicators. You'll find various options here to enhance your chart analysis and gain deeper insights. Once the Edit Studies window is open, click on the Studies tab. In the search bar, type volume to quickly find relevant indicators. You'll see options like volume or volume profile. Select the study you want, then click Add Selected to move it to your active studies list. Finally, click Apply and OK to see the volume on your chart. After adding volume, you can customize its appearance. In the Edit Studies window, select your volume study from the Applied Studies list and click the gear icon. Here, you can change colors, plot styles, and aggregation periods. For example, you might prefer a different color for up and down volume bars. Remember to save your chart as a template for quick access later. Beyond basic volume, consider combining it with other indicators like moving averages for stronger signals. High volume on breakouts often confirms the move, while low volume might suggest a false signal. Remember, volume provides crucial context to price action, helping you make more informed trading decisions. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.